Court will allow the Trump administration to deny transgender and non-binary Americans passports that reflect the sex designation of their choosing. The decision was 6-3, with Justices Jackson, Kagan, and Sotomayor dissenting. It pauses a lower court ruling that blocked the administration.
Want to really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
Hey.
Why this beat so cold?
We will make America proud again. When you try to we will make America wealthy again. And yes, together, we will make America great again.
Oh boy, they say normalcy is back. They say this is what they voted for, huh? Another big one out of the Supreme Court. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The Supreme Court just gave Trump administration a huge win, forcing people to put their actual gender on their passports. What a time to be alive, man. I tell you, man, the times we is in, man, it's far gone, far shot. I ain't lying to you. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But it says no more catering to the transgender illness. This is a massive win. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I tell you, fam, you just can't make this up, you know. The Supreme Court deals a major blow to the LGBTQ madness by the kicking transgenderism off the U.S. passport. A win for Donald Trump. Male and female. That's it, folks. 2. Yep. Male and female. They say, you know, normalcy is back. Common sense. Tradition. Values, morals. Whoop! You just can't make it up. But let me see if I can find it. Let's see if I can find this bad boy. See if I can find this bad boy, man.
Court siding with the Trump administration in its push to ban Americans from identifying as transgender on their passports. The Justice Department hailing it as a victory. And Alexandria Hoff has more from D.C. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Dana. In a 6-3 decision, the court found that displaying a passport holder's sex at birth no more violates equal protection to displaying a person's country of birth. It continues that in both cases, the government is merely attesting to a historical fact without subjecting anyone to differential treatment. The decision undoes a lower court's order that stopped the Trump administration from removing the X option from passports. This now also allows the requirement of listing biological sex to be enforced. Now, in her dissent, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson argues that the government was unconvincing as to why it needs to enact this policy immediately. Quote, it offers no evidence that it will suffer any harm if it is temporarily enjoined from doing so, while the plaintiffs will be subject to imminent concrete injury if the policy goes into effect. So the X option on passports was the product of the Biden administration. The White House maintains that brought unseriousness to government documents meant to accurately identify people. Attorney General Bondi celebrated the emergency relief granted to the government, writing, in other words, there are two sexes, and our attorneys will continue fighting for that simple truth. The fight is not over, though, because this is not a final ruling. It simply allows the new passport policy to continue while the cases play out in lower courts. Dana.
Oh, boy.
All right, well, keep an eye on all of that, too. Thank you.
I'll tell you, what a time to be alive, man. Oh, brother. Just can't make this up. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Weigh in with your thoughts, man. You know, be real with me, family. You know, we don't sugarcoat it on this channel. We call it for what it is, man. You know, we told you we're going to bring you some of the best updates, especially out of the Supreme Court, man. You know, but just absolutely a disgrace. You know, and then we just seen Trump warn the Supreme Court kills his tariffs. America will owe back trillions. We're taking in trillions. Do you stand with President Trump on tariffs?
Before the Supreme Court issues a ruling, it could be several weeks. Are you going to lay out any new additional tariffs before?
I don't want to talk about it. I'm going to hope that we win. I can't imagine that anybody would do that kind of devastation to our country. You know, we'd have to pay back trillions of dollars. We've taken in trillions. We haven't taken in billions. We've taken in trillions of dollars. We've made trade deals based on that give us, as an example, European Union, $950 billion. Japan, $650 billion. South Korea, $350 billion. Without this, we're not talking about that kind of money. And they're okay. They're satisfied. They love us. I just left. They all love us. So it's not like we're such bad people. But they were doing it to us until I came along.
Oh, boy. I tell you, we actually have a president, huh? He says he's working his butt off. Working his ass off. Got to quote him. You know. Man for the people. He said, hell, we didn't know who was running it. Y'all left him a complete mess. And now we here with common sense, law and order, and no more ripping off America. Here we are. And God dog it, are you a man or is you a god doggone woman? What a time to be alive. I'm with you, Donnie. I'm with you, Donnie. Donnie. They might talk trash on you. They might drag you through the mud, you know, but Donnie, the fight continues. We got to win something, hell. If we don't win this and that, we got to win something, hell. I'm with you, Donnie. Let's keep fighting, baby. I love y'all. God bless you all and your family. And I will catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace and love you guys.